Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have discussed with you difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now our next topic of this chapter is difference between plant cell and animal cell. These are the diagrams of this is animal cell and this is a plant cell. See, the major difference is cell wall is present in plant cell, but in animal cells no cell wall is present. Second is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in both the cases, here also and here also, plant cell and animal cell. Cytoplasm is also present in plant cell also and animal cell also. Cell organelles is also present in both cases. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is present both in animal cell and plant cell. Next is plastids. Plastids is present only in plant cells. Plastids is, for example, like see, the chloroplast is present only in plant cell. Why this is present only in plant cell? Because plants possesses chlorophyll. They make their own food. Animal cell cannot possess the chlorophyll. That is why it is absent in case of animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in both the cases. Golgi apparatus is present in both the cases. Ribosomes is present also in both the cases. And next is the centrioles. Centrioles is absent in case of the plant cell and is present in case of the animal cell. And next is the lysosomes. Lysosomes you can say are not common in case of the plant cell, means almost absent, and lysosomes is present only in the animal cell. Nucleus is present in both the cases, and vacuole is, in case of the plant cell, vacuole is large in number, means large in size and large in number, and in animal cell it is smaller in size or the smaller in number. See, you can see the diagram. In animal cell, plasma membrane is there. This is the structure of the nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and here is also chromatin material. This is a pore, centrioles, Golgi complex, cell sap, and ribosomes are present. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria is present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is present in case of animal cell. Now in case of plant cells, in plant cells cell wall is present, cell membrane is present, then here is a large vacuole, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, here is the tonoplast, cell sap, mitochondria, ribosomes is present, middle lamella is present, dictyosomes are present. So this is the structure of plant cell. Now the next topic of this chapter is structure of eukaryotic cell. We have discussed the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Now the structure. First point is plasma membrane or the cell membrane. The outer membrane is called the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. This is the outer covering of the cell. It is a living ultra thin. It is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable matlab means it only can pass selective substances through it, composed of proteins, lipids, and small amount of carbohydrates. Second part is nucleus. Nucleus is deep stained round structure is there, centrally located in animal cells, large vacuole on one side in plant cell. In case of the plant cell, we already have seen one large vacuole is present on the one side, and here is a central located structure is there. It's the largest organelle in case of eukaryotic cell, and it contains genetic material. Genetic material is stored in the chromosomes. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid and the semi-fluid matrix filled between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. Specialized cell organelles are present. Each organelle performs specific function. In case of the cytoplasm, each organelle, any of the organelle like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, any of the organelles plays a different functions. Now the kinds of permeability, we already have discussed in eukaryotic cells. Semi-permeable is their plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature. Now, selectively permeable in nature. Selectively permeable in nature. Now, the kinds of the permeable. First is impermeable. What do you mean by impermeable? Impermeable means that do not allow both solute and solvent. Now, what do you mean by solute? See, three different terms are there. One is solute, second one is solvent, and third one is solution. Solute is less in number, which dissolve in solvent, and solution, both solute plus solvent, it becomes solution. Got it? Now see, that do not allow both solute and solvent. For example, cuticle layer. Permeable, that allows both solute and solvent. For example, primary cell wall. Semi-permeable, allows only solvents, not solute. For example, artificial vapor membrane. Selectively permeable, allows solute but selected specific solute particle. For example, plasma membrane. In my next video, we will discuss the models of the plasma membrane, transport of the material across the cell membrane. So for more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.